What's the meaning of bone marrow? Bone marrow. Bone marrow.
Bone marrow. Bone marrow. Bone marrow is the spongy tissue found inside bones that produces blood cells. It contains stem cells that differentiate into red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells carry oxygen to the body's tissues, white blood cells fight infections and diseases, while platelets help in blood clotting. Bone marrow can be sourced for transplants from both donors and a patient's own body. However, diseases, infections, and some treatments can affect bone marrow function, causing blood disorders like anemia, leukemia, and lymphoma. Treatments for these conditions may include bone marrow transplants, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, or a combination of these.